Julian!
Air pollution can increase the risk of respiratory infections, heart disease, stroke, and lung cancer, and more severely affect people who are already ill. That's why in this video, we will give you a significant idea of how to reduce air pollution.
Is a distraction. Let's take an action.
Proper disposal.
Turn off the lights.
Unplug unused appliances.
Walk or use public transportation.
Do planting
And recycling.